visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong Almost Personal Reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading, so kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Now, tignan natin kung ano na yung mga nangyayari sa paligid. The Ten of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Meron ditong isang parang nagsasabing hindi ko tanggap na ganito na yung nangyari sa relasyon namin. Hindi ko tanggap na ito na ang kinalabasan ng relasyon namin. Para sa akin, gusto ko pang ayusin. Para sa akin, meron pa akong magagawa, no? Para magkaroon, para manumbalik itong nasirang relasyon. Mahal ko pa siya, willing pa ako, no? Willing pa akong i-extend pa itong stretch out pa yung patience ko, wag lang mawala. So, with the Fool card and the Justice. So, nakita natin dito yung biglaan kasi yung paglaho ni person. Parang nagkaroon nga dito din ng parang in and out na situation ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo hindi pa man in total separation. Sabihin natin nagfa-fluctuate na, no, itong relationship. Pwedeng uuwi minsan, hindi uuwi. So nakakakita ka na ng indications na your relationship is sabihin natin parang in danger, no? Nakakita ka na ng mga simptomas na itong relasyon ninyo might probably not working, no? Like before. So with the Four of Wands and the Ace of Swords. Wow. Napakaganda naman nito. Meron agad angel number na 1111. So, the Ace of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Ace of Swords. Ang hirap. Yuko natin. Ayan. Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Cups, and Ace of Swords. Makakakita tayo ng growth, satisfaction, and understanding. But this might come in the, in the past. I mean, sa future pa. But that's okay, no? Kasi this might be a new beginning for the both of you. Pero kasi ito bang new beginning na to is kami pa rin yung magkasama? Or new beginning dahil I am walking on my path alone? Diba? Yung kasi yung masakit doon, lalo na kung sanay na kayo magkasama. Now with the Four of Wands, for a few numbers of you, baka nga you're living in together, kinasal na kayo. Ang hirap mabuhay ngayon, no? Dahil hindi mo nakasama yung taong dati lagi mong kasamang matulog, dati yung lagi mong kasamang kumain, no? Now you are, sabihin natin, living, parang bumalik ka sa pagiging single. So, those things na ginagawa ninyo, lagi mong naaalala. The Three of Wands and the Knight of Swords. May mga, sabihin natin may mga pasundot-sundot pang communications dito. It can be sinasagot or hindi. It can be ito yung mga communications na gusto nating sabihin, sinesend natin, no? Pero hindi sinisin. Kung nasin man, wala namang response. The Knight of Swords is clarified with the King of Cups and the Eight of Pentacles. Doon sa mga nabasa na yung message ninyo, I feel like hindi naman ito totally ignore. That's just what you probably assumed. Pero kasi si person, ang ginagawa niya ngayon, tinitignan ko kung ano yung pinakamagandang pwedeng isagot. Tinitignan ko kung ano yung pwedeng pinakamagandang i-work on, no, dito din sa ating relationship. Yes, hindi pa ako sumasagot, pero it doesn't mean parang ayoko na. I'm still composing, no. Ngayon mas nagiging maingat ako sa sasabihin kasi I believe si person alam niya na din na itong relationship ninyo medyo nasa dulo na, no? Medyo fragile na. Kaya gusto niya ring maging maingat sa pagsagot dahil baka mamaya yung sasabihin niya maging cause pa ng separation, ng total separation. The Two of Cups, the Death card, and the Nine of Pentacles. So nakikita natin dito na meron pa namang love. At pwede pa itong mabuo. Pwede pa itong manumbalik. Pwede pa itong ma-work on. The Death card kasi pwede itong maging, let's say, ma-revive, no? The Death card doesn't always have to be the end, no? It can also signify rebirth. And makikita natin yung rebirth with the Nine of Pentacles gathering all of this. Isipin natin na, kumbaga sa ahas, no? This is the old skin, yung binabalat. Ito yung mga natatanggal. And then there will be a new skin, a new chapter, a new beginning. Same creature, but with a different, it could be personality, but with a different skin. The old one was removed. Don't think of it as a bad thing, but, let's say, growth pa rin yun di ba? There may be some changes. It may be for good, it may be for bad, pero yung nakikita natin dito, it's for growth, no? Kaya nga meron ditong angel number 111. And the Nine of Pentacles, gathering, no, of your abundance. So this is your reading. Bago ko tignan ang inyong para kanino ito, yung zodiac sign. Gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung kayo po ay merong mga katanungan. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo, Pisces, Aquarius, Leo, Aries, Libra, Capricorn, Scorpio, Sagittarius. Did I just mention Aquarius? Yes. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.